Hey guys, Adam here at Mountain Extreme Powersports. Wanted to show you guys what we've done with this new Can-Am Defender Limited HD11. We've added the WD Electronics turn signal kit, sequential in the front, integrated in the rear. We'll get around back and show you that here in a minute. Added a 13.5-inch LED light bar with the spot and flood options. Up top we have 31.5, nicely tucked underneath that Can-Am rack. And as you come around to the side, you'll see we also added mirrors to this one. But on the rack up here, you see all the nice LinQ options. You can add different mounts up there so you can keep your shovels, pickaxes, anything that you need to be able to get out there and do your work. This one here is a two-piece option because it is for the max, the 4 doors. We also added the fender flares, front and back. And then on the bottom, I apologize for the dirt because we just finished this one up, haven't got it clean. But we did add the rock sliders. And this customer also asked us to throw in this nice little toolbox here. It is attached with the quick link system on the inside. Nice seals on the inside here to keep all moisture and things out as well. We also added in the bumper because these don't come with one from the factory, so we added in that nice touch-up bumper there. You can also see on the back you have these sequential lights. Turn signals are in there. Nice license plate mount nicely tucked underneath because you do have to have those plates here in PA with the light so that it can be seen. And up on the back we also have the 3x3 pods to go and match the front, give you that extra lighting when you're backing up. This one also came with the horn feature with the turn signal kit. So here with the horn kit, it has its own nice little switch in here. Just reach in, give her a bump. You have all the sounds you need so you can let people know that you're on your way through the trails or coming down, crossing a roadway or anything of that nature. If there's anything on this machine you see that you like or anything you have questions on, feel free to give me a call here at the store, 814-583-7030. We'll be happy to get you fixed up with whatever you're looking for.